Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this pumpkin bomb of the green goblin out of these plastic balls. This is Make It Cheap. I got these plastic balls on the street about $1. It's pretty cheap. I got many balls. So to make this pumpkin bomb we just need the green ball. So let's do it. Because we already have a perfect round shape on the ball, we just need to make the shell that will cover all over the ball surface. I need to make the template first. We're gonna need 3 parts. This is part number 1, part number 2, and ring. If you need this template, you can download it for free from a link in the description. I want to make the shells with carton paper at first, but it doesn't work. The paper is too tough and it's difficult to apply it on the plastic ball. So I decided to use my old bicycle tire tube. It's really flexible and it's perfect to use as the shell. Actually, you can use foam on this project, just like Odin makes. He always uses foam on his projects. Unfortunately, I don't have thin foam and I don't need to buy it. I just use things that I have at home. We need this part 10 pieces each and 2 of rings for 1 pumpkin bomb. As you can see on this photo, the part number 1 has layer with pattern. Fortunately, the tire tube has surface that is pretty much looks like the pattern, so we can use it. Just cut a half of the part number 1 and make 10 pieces of it. So for this project I don't use glue, I just use this double tape, but it works pretty well and I can do this pretty quick. Okay, we got all the parts and it's time to paint it. I just use spray paint. The first layer is white paint as the primary color, because the color of the tire tube is black. And then I apply red paint after the primary color to get beautiful bronze color. The last layer is gold color. You can use gold metallic or regular gold. Mine is regular gold. Now this is the result. Pretty good, doesn't it? Oh, I forgot to tell you that before I paint the shell, I drew a line about 3 cm from the top of part number 1. So I made this line to make it easier when we put these parts on the ball. Now it's time to glue all the shells on the ball. Start from part number 1. Just make it fit to the line on the plastic ball. And because we have 10 pieces of part number 1, we can glue 5 pieces first. Make sure the space between this part equal. The other 5 parts of it will be facing on opposite directions of the first 5 parts. When all parts number 1 is set, now we can work on the ring. Before we stick on the ball, we need to make 5 holes on it. I use my perforator or hole puncher to make the holes. After the ring glued, now we can glue the part number 2. I need to draw a black line on the ring and pointy thing between the hole. Now for the light, I use my bicycle light because it's small enough to place into the ball and it has strobing or blinking effect. Now hold the bottom side of the ball to put the light and cover it with the second ring. Okay, so this pumpkin bomb design isn't very identical with the bomb that you can see in the movie because I simplified the design so it's easier to make it and it's cheaper. But it still looks pretty cool though. The downside of this pumpkin bomb is that I can't turn on and turn off the light from outside, so I need to take out the light and I need to use street source for it. It is kind of annoying. Maybe someday I'm gonna change the light. Oh, if you want to see how I made this Captain America shield, you can click the card up here or you'll find a link in the description below so you can check it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please leave a like. If you don't, just dislike this video. Subscribe to see my next project in the future, and if you have any project idea, please let me know in the comment down below. I'll see you on the next video. As always, stay creative. Damn, I missed.